Hi students, I am feeling great and excited to bring another cool trick of finding squares of numbers between 75 and 125. This method is similar and even more simple than the previous method I explained in my last video of finding squares of numbers between 25 to 75. I will explain this with a few examples. The first number I take is 108. Now to find the square of 108, again there are two simple steps. First, I subtract 100 from this number. 108 minus 100 gives me 8 as my answer. This 8 I add to the number. So 8 plus 108, which gives me 116. This forms the first three digits of my answer. In my second step, again I subtract 100 from the number. Again I get 8. This time I take the square of this difference 8. So 8 into 8, 8 square, which gives me 64. So the square of my number 108 is 11664. Now I take another example. I take the number 112. The square of this, again two steps. First step, subtract 100 from the number. I get 12. This difference I add back to the number. This gives me 124. 12 plus 112 gives me 124. Second step, again I subtract 100. I get 12 again. This time I take the square of this. So 12 into 12, which gives me 144. Over here I take the last two digits only. This one of 144 I carry over here and make this as 124 plus 1, which gives me 125. So my answer is 112 square is equal to 125 and 44 from here. My third example is 94. The square of 94. Step 1, subtract 100 from the number. It gives me minus 6. Now this minus 6 I add to my number, which gives me 88. This forms the first two digits of my square. Second step, again subtract 100 from my number and take the square of that. Minus 6 whole square, which is minus 6 into minus 6, which gives me 36. So my answer is 94 square double 8 from here 36. One last example I take the number 97. First step, subtract 100 from 97, which gives me minus 3. Add this back to my number. So I get 94. Step 2, subtract 100 again. Again I get minus 3. Take the square of this minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 3, which gives me 9. Over here I have to take 2 digits. So I write a 0 in front of 9 in the tens place. So my answer is 97 square is 9, 4 from here and 0, 9 from here. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching.